Okay, I just wanted to do a quick little video on the spindle drilling guide on how you can use bits that are bigger than a 1/2 inch. So the maximum size bushing that you can fit onto the movable carriage is a 1/2 inch. So if you want to do a hole with a bigger bit, let's say this one's a 5/8 inch bit, then what you need to do is get one of these little extensions. This is a 4-inch extension. They sell them as small as 3 inches, and it's a 1/2 inch linear shaft attached to the 1/2 inch coupler, and then we have a 5/8 inch bit with a 1/2 inch sink attached to the coupler, and this works really well. You of course can also use it in this configuration to drill blind mortises, and this will work really good for instance doing large blind mortises, stairs, things like that. So if you're doing something real short like in this configuration, you may want to get one of those right angle attachments to attach to the shaft, because you're going to run out of room as you get towards the end of the spindle drilling guide. You can also use one of the right angle drills, and that'll work great too. If you want to get one of these extensions, they will be available on our website at BB Custom Tools. Again, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.